Hello, we are now going to tackle bit strings. Bit strings are pieces of code that are represented with ones and zeros. They can be pieces of code in computers, or they can also represent truth values, as 1 can be used to represent true and 0 can be used to represent false. We can also actually do bit operations. And in bit operations, we can only do conjunction AND, disjunction OR, and XOR. Now to do these operations, we'll have to see how they interact with each other. So let's say for OR, we have a 0 and a 1, and a 0 and a 1. If a 0 on 0, both are false, then it becomes false. If at least one is true, then it becomes true, or 1. For AND, remember, for AND, it is only true if both are true. So, the only time it is true is when it is both 1 on 1. For all other cases, it is false. And for XOR, it's only true, or rather, yes, it is only true if only 1 is true. See, if it is 1 and 1, it is not true for XOR. But if it is 1 and 0, 1 and 0, or 0 and 1, it is true. So now let us try it on this one. Find the AND, OR, and XOR of the given bit strings. It is best to line them up so it is easy to compare them. So first, let's do AND. Remember, it's only true if both are true. So 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, and 0 and 1 is 0. Now let's try OR. Only true if at least 1 is true. 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 1, rather this one. 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 1, and 1 and 0 is 0. And now for XOR, only true if only 1 is true. 1 and 1 is 0, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 0, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 1, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 1 is 0, and 0 and 1 is 1.